Our bodies are constantly working hard day and night to keep us in the best shape possible. They fight off harmful things like bacteria and viruses, always striving to stay healthy and strong. To do this effectively, our bodies need helpers. Antioxidants are these tiny but incredibly powerful helpers that play a crucial role. Think of antioxidants like superheroes within our cells, always ready to jump into action. They protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals, which are harmful molecules. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm our cells and lead to various health problems, including aging and diseases. Antioxidants are essential for overall well-being and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. They support a strong immune system, contribute to healthy aging, and help us feel our best. You can find antioxidants in many fruits, vegetables, and other healthy foods, making it easy to include them in your diet. By eating a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, we're giving our bodies the tools to thrive and stay resilient against various health challenges. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage within our bodies. They are a natural byproduct of our metabolism, the process by which our bodies convert food into energy. Imagine free radicals as little troublemakers that can disrupt the normal functioning of our cells. They can damage DNA, cell membranes, and other important structures. Factors like pollution, smoking, and even stress can increase free radical production. This is where antioxidants come to the rescue. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing harm. They act like scavengers, mopping up these troublemakers and protecting our cells from damage. Nature provides a bountiful array of foods packed with antioxidants. Fruits and vegetables are particularly excellent sources. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are antioxidant superstars. They are bursting with color and flavor, indicating their high antioxidant content. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are also packed with antioxidants. Don't forget about colorful vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Nuts, seeds, and even dark chocolate contain antioxidants. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet will provide a wide range of beneficial antioxidants. Section 4. Practical tips. Boosting antioxidants in your diet. Adding more antioxidants to your diet doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about making small, manageable changes that fit into your daily routine. Small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Start your day with an antioxidant-rich breakfast to fuel your body. Enjoy a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts for a delicious and nutritious start. Make fruits and vegetables a part of every meal to ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients. Add spinach to your smoothies for an extra boost of vitamins and minerals. Snack on carrots and hummus for a healthy and satisfying snack. Or enjoy a colorful salad with grilled chicken or fish to add variety to your meals. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Whole grain bread, brown rice, and quinoa are good sources of antioxidants and can be easily incorporated into your diet. And don't forget about beverages. They can be a great source of antioxidants too. Green tea, black tea, and even coffee contain antioxidants that can benefit your health. Section 5. The antioxidant advantage, health benefits you can't ignore. Consuming a diet rich in antioxidants offers a wide range of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to enhancing your overall well-being. Antioxidants support a healthy heart by protecting blood vessels from damage, which is crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health. They may also help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease, making them essential for heart health. These powerful compounds can boost brain health and may even play a role in reducing the risk of cognitive decline, keeping your mind sharp as you age. Antioxidants have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, promoting overall health. This can benefit conditions like arthritis and asthma, providing relief and improving quality of life for those affected. By protecting our cells from damage, antioxidants contribute to healthy aging and may even help prevent certain types of cancer, ensuring a longer, healthier life. Section 6. Embrace the power of antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential for maintaining optimal health and well-being. By incorporating a variety of antioxidant-rich foods into our diets, we can empower our bodies to fight free radical damage and thrive. Start making small changes today to increase your antioxidant intake. Enjoy a colorful salad, snack on a handful of berries, or sip on a cup of green tea. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle counts. Embrace the power of antioxidants and experience the transformative benefits they can bring to your life.